Hi, I'm Fiona from Wessex Archaeology North, and I'm now going to show you what happens with the bits that floated at the top of the bucket flotation, what we do next. So we look at it under a microscope because it's so small you can't see what things are with the naked eye. And the first thing that we do is we pop it through a sieve. And this separates out the larger fragments with the smaller ones. In the up top one, you tend to get a lot of charcoal, bigger chunks of charcoal, which in turn can be looked at by a charcoal specialist. And then what we do is pop it into here and start looking at it under the microscope. We'll see things like charcoal, grains, seeds, chaff. You might also find things like hammer scale. And then we record it all, which will then tell us how a feature may have been used, whether it's a site where it's burning or a rubbish dump, and also the environment as a whole. So in this one, there is a lot of charcoal. There's a few roots, which is a sign it might have been disturbed ever so slightly after it had been deposited. There isn't any grains or weeds, so that would suggest that it's mainly just a burning event has caused this deposit to be put down. After the flotsam residues have been looked at under the microscope, the weeds, grains and anything else environmental will have been taken out, extracted from it, and these are then bottled up and sent to our archaeobotanist for identification to help understand the environment and site that's in use.